Hi, my name is Glenn. I'm one of the golf professionals here at Victoria Park Golf Complex, and today I'm going to give you a quick run through of our teaching facility that we have here, and specifically how to get custom fit for a new set of golf clubs. At Victoria Park we have one of the most impressive club fitting facilities, so we have the ability to use TrackMan launch monitor. We also have Mizuno's shaft optimizer system, and we also have video analysis, plus all of the equipment from all of our suppliers. So we're able to fine-tune your set of golf clubs and get you the best set of golf clubs that's going to suit your game. The benefits of getting club fit at Victoria Park is that we have one of the best technology-based facilities anywhere in Australia, if not the world, and we also have all the equipment from all the major brands. So we have every shaft that the company has on the market. We have the head type. We're going to fine-tune your launch and your spin rates. Also, we can confirm what you've been using and see whether there's any way that we can improve your current technology and put something new in the bag. So if you're in the market for a new set of golf clubs, then I highly recommend you come down, see the team here at Victoria Park and get yourself a custom club fitting.